Hi, I'm Nick from NOA Labs. In this video, I will quickly clarify why Shenzhen became almost a buzzword in the world of technology and why so many crowdfunding projects and hardware startups end up here. Shenzhen is a part of the Pearl River Delta. The PRD occupies 1% of China's territory. It is home to at least 5% of China's population. It generates around 10% of China's otherwise massive GDP, and it scores 25% of all China's exports. Wow! And how does it matter to you? Let me ask you something. How many of manufacturers of electronics do you know in your neighborhood? Whatever is the answer, here is 5 to 15 times more. Think of the PRD and Shenzhen as of a tool that needs time to learn how to handle and use. And this is the reason why NOA Labs HardwareOps Bootcamp in Shenzhen is focused on showing you how to use that tool. When bringing a new product to market, it connects your business to manufacturing and product development operations. The complete HardwareOps agenda is linked in the description. And remember to subscribe our channel. See you in Shenzhen.